Much information comes from the outside, but the clearest information comes from within, in stillness. Listen through the heart, for the heart knows. The mind thinks it knows. When we are caught up in our self-made plans, the mind is often so cluttered that it cannot hear the greater plan. It will be coming to you moment by moment. Any sense of confusion will show you that fear is in the way. The still small voice speaks not through fear, but through calmness, that each moment will provide for itself. As human awareness becomes more sensitive, it will need a greater sense of balance in order to glide gently from one moment to the next. And as events change more rapidly, one will need to become more flexible in the spontaneous now. If you experience a block in the way, re-examine the information you are acting upon, because it might have changed. When you're remaining within the information received yesterday, a week ago, a month ago, a year ago, then you will not be in the now. Events will be changing for your betterment. Be not stuck in what you think your betterment is. Listen each moment. Things will be changing each moment. Move from moment to moment through the guidance of inner wisdom, a knowing that comes within a calm mind.